Hi, we're Sharon and Andy. Welcome to our channel, Finca Life.
In 2019 we bought an abandoned derelict finca that used to be a bodega in the Murcia region of Spain. The building is an empty shell with no services, water etc, and we're restoring it, doing all the work ourselves to give us an off-grid debt-free home.
In addition to that, self-sufficiency is very important to us, so we aim to produce as much of our own food as possible. And the idea behind these videos is to log our progress and provide you with something that you hopefully find interesting and informative.
Hi all, welcome to today's video. We were halfway through making the accessories for the bathroom, which is going to be coming up in a future video. We're using the compressor. We've not had a lot of sun here for the last couple of days, although it is smiling on us now. So because we're using the compressor, the big compressor, we do have a couple, we needed to run the generator, and we noticed that the generator has got a fuel leak on it, so now we've got to fix it. We've got fuel dripping out, you can see it there. I hope you can see it anyway. So we're going to have an examine and see if we can find out where it's coming from. Right, the fuel seems to be leaking. You probably can't make it out, but the pipe's actually wet there. Not too difficult to fix, just replace the pipe, and we should have some fuel pipe somewhere. So let's have a look. First of all, we need to take the cover off the air filter. Put that down there. Undo these nuts here. One. Two. Three. Making sure not to lose them. Four, then. That's it. Then we can remove the filter element. And then, what size are they? No, smaller. Smaller. Crikey, man. A ratchet on that one. These two bolts here where it bolts to the back of the carburetor. Get that pipe out of the way. There we go. Now it should come off. Nope, there's another one somewhere. I see it. There's one on the back as well. Now it should come off. There we go. Okay, I'll come back over here. Oh, yeah, you can see that. It's like, yeah, absolute rubbish. Rubbish pipe, rubbish clip. As you can see, this pipe is totally perished. It's got, can you see the cracks there? Can you make them out? Maybe, but it is. It's all cracked and perished. The fuel tap doesn't actually, as you can see, it's turned off. It doesn't stop the fuel from coming out. So we're going to drain it off just to be on the safe side. We've got an empty can here. And we'll pull that off there. Pop that in there. Turn it on. it could take a while. We'll come back to you when it's empty. Right, this looks like it's going to take all day, so we're just going to turn it off, leave it at a dribble, and we're going to go for it and work quickly. Right, I've got a little bit of replacement pipe here. We're going to... Oh, where's the thing gone? Not that one. That one. Take the old pipe off. So, right, it's tight. It's a tight one. There we go, you can see there's a split there. There's another one there. It's not even sat out in the sun. Throw that away. We have a new piece here. So we'll put that end on there. Slide the new hose clip over it, which is bigger. Oh, we didn't want that to happen, did we not? The tap snapped off. Great stuff, that's all we need. So we've got a perish pipe and a broken tap now. Oh my god. Right, okay, we're going to have to improvise now because we need to get this thing up and running. Right, we'll take the tap out and have a look what we've got. Right, we're going to have to drain the fuel out. It's going to take a while, so we'll come back to you when it's empty. Right, we're out, the fuel's gone. We're going to take the tap out and see what we've got. We're going to have to get a new tap, but in the meantime I'm going to have to do a temporary repair, and we'll go and have a look what we've got and go and weigh it all up and come back to you. Okay, so we've got a broken tap. I've actually got a piece of hollow threaded rod which is the same diameter as that. It is, however, a different thread, but I've got a tap and die set and I'm going to cut a new thread in that to make it the same as that. I'll show you that in a minute. So when that's that's going to go into the tank, then this piece will go onto there. It's a bit tight, but it will. There we go, I'll do it properly when I actually do the final thing. Then we're going to, this piece fits in here, we're going to have to super glue that in and hope that the super glue is petal resistant. And then that fits inside here. Allegedly it does. It's a temporary repair until we can get a new tap, but we need the generator, so we're going to have a try. Right, so we've got our bit of hollow threaded rod in there. This is a die. So it's actually an MPT 1/8 inch. I think that's the thread pitch. I don't understand MPT, but I've got it. Now, what we do, we set this going in there. It's a self-centralised, self-centering one, so it should go. There we go. And this will cut a thread the same as that onto here. Okay, that should be enough. So that's our new thread cut. This is the original nut off the tap, and there we go. Look at that. Good as. Which now means that this should screw directly into the petrol tank of the generator, because it's now got the same thread. So let's go and have a go. Okay, here we are back outside in the sunshine. Right, we've got our tank adapter. I'm just going to cut a piece of this pipe. It's tough stuff. There we go. And then I'll put this on here first, actually, because I might need to. A little bit tight in there. Right, should be able to get this on here now. That's it. Look. Even though it's a super tight fit, I'm still going to put a Jubilee clip on it. Belt and braces and all that. Okay, that's good. Right, we'll try the super glue on this one then. This is industrial strength super glue. Let's hope it's petrol resistant. That's a bit that we don't know. But as I say, it's only a temporary repair, so as long as it temporaries, give that a second to dry. That seems to have stuck nicely. I've actually put a hose clip on it as well. I'm just going to measure this and cut it to length. The last piece. It's a right mishmash, isn't it? But the thing you've got to do, we're off grid. We need it. Yeah, you know. Right, I'm going to pop that on there. That's going to be pretty tight. There. Right, so I'm going to put a little bit of super glue on that as well, I think. To make sure. That certainly worked alright. Instant set. Really? Crikey, that was quick. That end goes on there, and then we need to go and tighten that up. Right, we've put a duplicate clip on that end now. We've put some petrol in it. It doesn't appear to be leaking. We can't see any leaks. So I'm going to put it all back together and fire it up and see what happens.
Well, that's it for today. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications of future videos. Thanks for watching.